So, guys, this house looks like a pure dump with at least 6 trees growing out of it.
Well, that's not the one we're showing you.
Oh, okay,
it's
good.
the next door one.
I like this one, though. You should get it for us.
I'm not gonna agree with you on that.
The house next door also has a few trees.
Yeah.
It has quite a few trees, including the one that is sitting on top of it and the one going through the front of it.
And the back of it.
And the back of it.
There's some definite problems.
How much did you pay for this place?
$6,500.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's only 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom.
Okay.
760 square feet. So it's teeny-tiny. Look for a brick house.
Exactly. In the state of Michigan, brick homes seem to always, in every case, have a higher value.
We'll take the awnings off. That'll brighten it immediately.
Yeah.
But it's gonna be really cute.
I'm hoping to stick for a rental budget of 75 on this one. So what are we looking at for a potential sales price then?
Homes in this neighborhood are selling for approximately $140 per square foot.
That's nuts.
So I would say 105.9 is a good number.
So that would give us a profit of about $20,000.
Nice.
Look at these parquet floors.
Yeah, it's some water intrusion. I smell mildew, stink. Something doesn't smell good.
There's some problems with the house, quite obviously, but it's a nice-sized living room.
It's a lot of tile. Is this actual tile or is this plastic?
It's stick-on.
That took a lot of time and effort. You got to give them that, Keith.
You know what happens, though? The roaches get up in here and
Okay, thank you. That's going to be so fun taking this down.
I'm still trying to figure out what the vibe is for the house. I kind of want, like the color scheme you got going, like 70s, you know?
I think I can get jiggy with that. I'm a product of the 70s. I'm a disco baby.
We could do a disco house.
Oh, that would be fun.
That would actually be kind of cool, actually.
Oh, Evan said it would be cool.
All right, that's it then. It's a disco house.
Super small bedroom.
These bedrooms are actually really tiny.
Yeah, they're extremely small.
There was a lot of layers of paint, that's for sure.
Should we show you the other bedroom?
Of course.
The other one's equally as small, too.
Hey, this room is slightly larger, I think.
This one has enough for a queen.
Of course it has enough that way. It's the 84 out that's the problem.
That's...
That's to this wall. You have 6-inch clearance if you had it here. Anyway, it's a tricky space.
I mean, we would have to make it feel a little larger than it actually is.
I'm gonna figure out how to make it look bigger. You figure out how to sell it as a disco.
I'm gonna make this house a whole vibe. Think 1970s browns and gold, lots of textures like shag and velour, maybe a well-placed disco ball or two. Gotta keep it classy, of course. The first thing to do is get some light in this place by getting rid of these metal awnings.
We're installing new subfloor in the bathroom to get ready for the tile. And we're installing new drywall everywhere it needs it, which in this case is pretty much everywhere.
So while we're getting Disco House rolling, Shay is working really hard to get the house next door, because we really want it.
We got the house. This home has 2 bedrooms and 1 bath. It's 840 square feet. The guys paid $6,500 for this home. I mean, I feel like with their design and with these homes both being brick homes, that they would sell quickly.
There's no visible roof holes, so that's a big win.
But there are a lot of trees and weeds growing in the gutters, which is a little
And
concerning.
you see that gigantic tree in the back?
Oh my goodness,
That's
yes.
gotta go.
I love the brick on the front. The little front porch is precious.
My only concern is this porch awning is only being held up by this fallen tree branch, so just like swirling
No, it's like this,
right
like-
up under the
I'm
awning.
just laying here holding up this porch, y'all.
Go ahead and go in.
All right. What do you think?
This living room feels bigger than the house next door.
It does, yeah.
This house is bigger.
It is bigger.
Nice dining room. The kitchen, pretty gross.
Oh, turds.
No.
Yep.
Ew.
This has not been changed since the 60s.
I don't want to come in this kitchen. I'm just
It's
gonna
not
like
that
hang
bad.
out. Is that a clothing chute or a milk
No, it's
chute?
milk chute.
Oh my God, the milk jars are still in there.
No way.
Is this a time capsule?
Mm-hmm.
These old houses have these two-way cubbies built into the side of the house where the milkman would come and would deliver your milk. And this house, it was clearly just sort of, someone just packed up and left and didn't even touch the kitchen because there's still milk jugs in the milk cubby. These are not wide plank. This is back to narrow plank wood.
I like this house.
Do you smell 120?
I smell something. I don't know if it's 120, but definitely more than the house next door. Because if we can get $140 per square foot, definitely at least 115.
Yeah, that would be awesome.
Be happy with 115.
I'd be really happy with it. So this house is 840 square feet. We bought it for $6,500. We are gonna try and keep the rental budget to around $75,000 to $85,000, and hopefully we can list it for $115,000.
Especially if you create a strong comp next door, it'll make it so easy to sell this one at value.
It'd be a great, great little starter house. It just feels energetically very cleansed. Maybe this can be like the temple house, like the cleansing energy when you walk in.
It does. It definitely feels better than the house next door.
Yeah, even with the turd in the sink.
The tree.
From turd to temple.
Let's rip this up. I mean, I'm fascinated to see what is underneath this.
Don't throw your back out. Cut it over to here. Nice. Oh my gosh. I've never seen wide plank like that.
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
We have to save this.
This might be one of the best finds we've ever had.
Definitely. Flooring-wise, hands down. They put really nice finishes in for such a tiny little house.
I'm gonna lean into soothing, calming neutrals in here and take a cue from these floors to use natural woods wherever I can. Whoever buys this home should feel like they are surrounded by calm energy.
Oh God, how is he gonna do this?
I don't know.
This is about to be like 10% of the budget of the whole house.
There's this very large tree, the largest tree we've ever come across in the city, and it's covering 2 of our properties. The first ice storm that we get, this thing is coming down on a house.
This tree is basically a safety hazard, and it needs to go.
Oh my goodness! Oh my gosh. That was a little unnerving. So floors are delayed by how many days are we talking here?
He's sanding, he's gonna be filling and I guess sanding today.
Okay.
So poly won't even start till sometime tomorrow.
That's a 3-day delay at least.
Yeah, so we're talking like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So it's definitely not gonna be finished this week.
It is not good for the schedule.
I know, this is why we don't refinish floors. It's just like,
I know,
it takes
it always
freaking
takes
forever.
It's worth it on this one. 6-inch, 5-inch, 6-inch plank is
Yeah.
like totally worth it. It's like the only house, so
Yeah.
it'll be worth the few days
Not
of
doing
delay.
it again. Unfortunately, we're at a standstill at the Temple House until the floors are done. But there is still plenty to do next door at the Disco House. Not sure where you want to put this
Just
at
on
the
top
moment.
of this one. Or down here is fine. We'll start rearranging. The kitchen cabinets arrived today, and I am very excited. Everything is coming together. It goes here?
Yeah, that's an upper.
Yeah. It goes on the other side?
Yeah.
Kitchen choreography.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Evan.
Yeah? Can you open the door? Like, this is what I'm asking you. Just do something.
No. Down. There. Turn. Continue. So the mural in the living room is kind of inspired by the 70s discotheques. I thought it would be easy to do this stripe, but oh my goodness. It's very difficult to calculate all the turns and radii. What a nightmare. They essentially had to grid out the entire wall at the end and just do loopy circles everywhere until I figured it out. Should have just traced this on the wall with a stencil. I'll make a little bed for the Buddha on the stump. Little cozy spot. Yeah, a little cozy spot for him. And now an eyesore no more. This house was definitely a little time capsule. Whoever used to live here many decades ago kind of just up and left one day. The house now really is quite spectacular, I must say myself.
So this house is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom. It is 840 square feet. We bought it for $6,500 and we spent $75,000 on the reno.
Thanks for coming out to see this gorgeous home.
I love it.
Isn't it so cute?
Oh my goodness. Look
This
at
is beautiful.
this.
Welcome, welcome.
Beautiful.
Thank you.
I like the floors.
I actually like the fact that this is the natural color of the floor, bringing that old school charm. It's Detroit.
I love the curtains.
Keith made those valances. He virtually made
I know he did.
99% of everything in this room.
He did. I know he did.
Look at this. The table look just like the table in here.
It does.
Yes, it matches.
Yeah, this is a custom joint.
Oh, yeah.
And these were paid for by the coins that we found here, actually, when we were doing the demo.
No way.
It was like $300 worth. So then we bought this chandelier with it.
You know, everything in here is very, you want to touch it. From the braille
Yes.
to, I mean, it's probably not braille, but.
But that is Braille. It says, buy me.
Yes. Everywhere you look, buy me.
All right, let's look at the kitchen, because I love this kitchen.
Oh my.
Wow.
I really love all the attention to detail.
Yeah,
It
the
is
guys are
stunning.
really good about that.
Like, you can tell, so meticulous.
I'm feeling the bamboo.
I know, it's so cute.
Yeah. It's different.
And look at the floor.
Like,
It's like
This-
over in Italy or something.
There is more to see, guys.
let's go
Follow
see.
me.
Excited. Oh, look at the penny tile.
oh, this is nice.
What do you think of the tub surround?
I love it. It's very unique. I love that it's to the ceiling.
Dave, the black and gold, it's like
So me.
totally you.
Yeah, I love it.
And you haven't even seen the bedroom.
Right,
so-
I know. Well, hold on, honey. Hold on.
Oh my goodness, I love
Wow. This headboard is really something.
So dope.
Keith made it. He made everything in this house.
Of course. I love
He's
it.
been a busy bee.
This is a queen size bed.
Yep. And you still got space to move around.
We don't have to do anything here.
Right.
It eliminates a lot of stress of being a first-time buyer.
Huge amount of
Right.
stress.
So this we just turned into a meditation room, but it's obviously another bedroom.
It could be an office.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, it's so zen. I love
Right?
it.
Don't you feel like so calm already?
Let's zen, everybody. Come on.
Everyone was so impressed with everything throughout this house. And every buyer that walked through today actually said, where do I sign? I mean, all we need is one, but 4 prospects is even better.
The impact on this street right now, as you drive down the street with these houses, is incredible.
Awesome. Awesome.
Hopefully we'll get to finish a lot more.
Yes. The afro. You look so damn cute. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is gonna be so fun.
This house has really come a long way. We bought this house for $6,500.
And the reno budget came in around $78,000. We're gonna list this house for $114,900.
Hi guys, welcome. Is my outfit giving away the theme of this house?
It is the disco house, so we felt it was appropriate to match the attire.
Check out this cute house.
Wow, yeah, this looks nice.
Cute brick home that's basically brand new. And with the pergola and the new door and windows, it really updates the space.
Looks great. The pergola just gives a little bit of depth.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Yeah, it looks great. I'm glad they didn't paint it. I prefer the stain. Looks a lot better.
Me too, I love the natural look.
All right, y'all ready to see inside?
Yes,
All right,
excited.
let's do it.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
This is beautiful.
This is so cool.
Right?
Amazing.
Yep, so as you can tell, there's a 70s vibe throughout with the colors, the finishes.
It's been fun to take a theme and kind of play with it. This one was kind of fun to play with the color theory.
Mustard is my favorite color.
It is? Oh, well, we found your house, Sophia.
The painting detail on the wall, you don't usually see that.
Let's check out the kitchen.
Oh, wow. Oh my God.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, wow. This is awesome.
Originally, this room was actually divided in two smaller spaces. So we wiped all that out and just made it kind of a giant kitchen.
Just opened it right up.
This is a really large kitchen. I mean, there's a lot of cabinet space in here.
Oh my gosh, I love the backsplash.
Are we supposed to eat here or dance?
Oh, both.
Yeah.
What an incredible idea.
Around the corner is the bathroom.
Look at this.
Oh, I love it.
Wow. Oh yeah, I like it.
It's like retro and modern at the same time.
Look at this tile.
It's vertical. You don't see that a lot. This looks really good.
I mean, it's adorable. Absolutely adorable. I love it.
This is bedroom number 1, and it's currently staged as an office.
Okay.
Wow. Okay.
I like it.
Wow. Love, love, love.
As you can see, there's space if you wanted to do a full-size bed.
Or a nursery.
Or a nursery.
This is a nice size room.
I love the colors. Everything just goes.
And the checkerboard wall. Somebody hand painted that?
Mm-hmm. Wow.
A lot of detail.
I love it.
Here's the main bedroom.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, I love it.
This is a good sized bedroom, actually.
Yes.
Yeah.
Just to give you an idea how much room you have in here, this is a queen-size bed. If you wanted to go a little larger, you definitely have room.
Plus, the double windows allow so much light in this bedroom. It really makes it nice and bright. This is great.
The headboard is amazing.
This headboard is amazing.
I love the headboard.
Keith and Evan made that. They made the headboard, and they also made the screen.
Of course.
Keith and Evan need a raise.
Yeah.
They do. I'll think about it.
A lot of strong reactions to the house.
This house went from drab to fab.
Wow.
It felt like people were definitely pleasantly surprised.
I love
Look
it.
at the bookcase.
Babies definitely liked all the disco balls, so hopefully that will sway the parents to make an offer.
I wouldn't think of doing like a 70s thing,
Yeah.
but they're a lot more creative than I am.
This is amazing. I love it.
I'm not leaving without the keys to this place. Can I have the keys right now?
Ooh, it's Shay. What she want? Hi, Shay.
Hi, Keith. I'm happy to call with great news.
Ooh.
We have 2 asking price offers on Tempo and Disco.
Yay! That just made my afternoon, Shay.
Now we can Disco because we got 2 houses, so.